All right, so today we are going to today's topic. Today's topic is on something called congruency. All right, congruency means exactly the same. Right, it's part of a topic called similar triangle. Okay. Okay, what is this? What is this? This website, is it the House musical again? Okay, so let's go into today's work. Caitlin, okay, come. All right, get ready to draw graph. Okay, so the population Y, thousand of a town, may be modeled by the equation Y equal to where X is the time in years after an earthquake destroyed part of the town. Oh no! Using a scale of 2 cm to represent 1 year on the x-axis and 1 cm to represent 1,000 people on the y-axis, you're supposed to draw the graph of this one. Oh my goodness, from 0 to 6. All right, so again, right, there is no negative number for this type of question. All right, it's like earthquake destroying people, right? All right, and there will be like no negative people, right? All right, so I think I can safely draw the graph from left to right like that. All right, and they want the x is from 0 to 6. All right, so I need to push my 0 all the way to the left. All right, hey, let's finish one graph work first, then after that we go into congruence triangle, okay? Hey, you all can check yourself, right? Hey, wait, sorry, wait, huh? Oh, sorry. Hey, sorry. All right, Natalie, sorry, now okay already. All right, Jocelyn, I'm so sorry. Yep, now okay already. All right, just now I didn't on. I'm so sorry. Okay, thanks for reminding me. Thank you. Okay, so down here, right, from 0 to 6, you have to come up with some points lah. Okay, so down here, I will have to draw my table. And my table is given as like the x-axis versus the y-axis. And from 0 to 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 刚刚好 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's for my x. Okay, question did say x must be from 0 to 6 lah. Can? Okay. And my y leh? My y is represented by this equation. So all I got to do is to put into my calculator. I key nicely first. Fraction 1 over 10. Open bracket. X is a 0. So I put a 0 close bracket. I press the cube button. Oh, not cube. Cube button, 3. Minus x, x I put a 0. I open a bracket. Plus fraction 1 over open bracket 0 close bracket plus 2. All right, then plus another 2. So down here I'll get a 2.5. Okay, down here I'll get a 2.5 for x is equal to 0. Now I use my calculator, I use my back button. I use my back button, I go and get rid of all the 0 and I exchange it for a 1. That's the beauty of the calculator. Right, get rid of the 0, exchange it for a 1. Get rid of the 0, exchange it for a 1. Right, and press equal. Down here I get a 1.43. Oh my goodness, ugly. All right, then I press my left arrow again. Go to my brackets there and get rid of the 1. Put a 2. Get rid of the 1. Put a 2. Get rid of the 1. Put a 2. All right, because there are 3 places that x appear. So this will give you a 1.05. And so on. Do it for the rest. All right, so I'm doing it the first time. So give me some time, Ken. This is a 1.9. A graph work important. You must try to train yourself to do it within 15 minutes max. 15. Right, which include drawing of the graph. Right, which include drawing of the tangent and all this also. Okay, and the presentation. So you must do it fast. And usually all the graph questions are somewhat the same one. Right, so before you know that, right, actually can expect already. 9.64. All right, so I try to hold everybody to 2 decimal place. And the last one will be 17.73. Okay, so these are my values of my x and y. Can see? Let me see. Larissa's gone be late. Okay, she's here already. I tried. Don't have time. 30 more. Need to sell more tickets. Ooh, for my limelight. Ooh. Okay. Can. All right. So children, let's continue. So as you can see, there's no negative value. So I'm going to push my y-axis all the way to my left here. Right. I'm going to push my x-axis all the way to the bottom. Okay, from 0 to 6. Question say the x-axis is 2 cm to represent 1 unit. So this is 0. 2 cm here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the y-axis represents the number of thousands of people. Okay, so down here represents the thousand of people. So the numbers down here, right, you must actually change it. Right, the numbers down here must actually change it. So 2.5 is like 2.5 times 1,000. All right. So 2.5 times 1,000 is 2,500 lah. Down here is like 1,430, 1,050, 1,900, 4,570, 9,640, and 1,773. Oh, yeah, 1,773. Can? All right, so I believe the numbers 2.5, right, actually represents 2.5 thousand, right? Because they say what? Look at the question. The population y thousand, what? Right, the population y thousand, which means like 2.5 thousand is 2.5 times 1,000, All right, it's 2,005. All right, 1.43 times 1,000, 1, 2, actually short lah, is it? Ah, yeah, short. All right, y thousand times 1,000, I think I'm short of some. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 两个零 2500. This one, 1, 2, 3, 1,430. Correct or not? Correct. 1, 2, 3, 1,050. 1,900. 4,570. Can you understand, our children? Right. This type of question is like application kind of question. Very irritating, but must know how to do also lah. No choice one. Only 17,000. Okay, come. Let's go. So now, in terms of the y-axis, I need what? I need them in terms of 1 cm to represent 1,000 people. Oh, so down here, right? Down here is actually like 2,000. 2,000. Oh my goodness, this is terrible, man. 4,000. 6,000. 8,000. 10,000. 12,000. Until what? Until 17,000. Oh my goodness. 14,000. 16,000. And 18,000. All right. Oh, it's terrible. I know. I don't want to do it. Yeah. Okay, so this will be your y-axis. Okay, let's try to plot as best as possible. Oh, this is going to be tough. So 0 is at 2,005. 0 is at 2,005. This is 2,000. This is 3,000. 2,005 is right in the center. Yeah, just do your best. No choice one. This is our question. Oh, 1 is 1,430. 1 is 1,430. 1,430 is close to, oh my goodness, it's 1,000. 1,002, 1,004 down here. All right, as best as you can, no choice one. 1 is 1,430. 2 is 1,050. 2 is 1,050. 1,000 is here. 1,050 is here. 3 is 1,009. 3 is 1,009. This is 2,000. This is 1,000. 1,009 is here. Oh my goodness, my eyes spoiled already, man. 4 is 4,570. 4 is 4,000. This is 5,000. 4,570 is here. Okay, as best as you can, no choice. 5 is 9,640. 9,640. 5 is 9,000. 6,24640. All right, and 6 is 17,000. 6 is 16. 17,000. 700. 2, 4, 6, 7, and 30. Oh my goodness, not easy. All right, so you get a curve like that. So you are supposed to use your curve ruler or your flexi curve to assist you. Okay, let me play cheat by using my PowerPoint tools to assist me. Okay. So it's not too bad. All right, it's not too bad. Looks nice. Looks okay, right? Okay, so this is the graph, and please remember to write the name of the graph, which is y equal to 1/10 x cubed minus x plus. Oh, really disgusting, man, this equation itself. Sorry, man. Who chose to do this question? Hello. I think it's me, right? Okay, just kidding. Right, can you see? Oh, so tired. Yeah, draw this graph, it really exhausted my strength already. All right, so this graph drawn, all right, the axis must be correct. And that is the plotting, and all this must be good also. Can? Okay, come. Here comes the question. Are you ready? Write down the minimum population of the town when this occurs. Suggest why the population decreases before it increases. All right. So the minimum is what? The minimum down here, just now we saw, is when what? All right, if you draw the graph right down here. All right, if you draw the graph down here, all right, this part that it comes out, right, is actually the lowest point. All right, the minimum population is actually at 1,000 down here. All right, this is actually at 1,000. Okay, so this is the part whereby the curve actually goes up. And this is actually at maybe 1.8. Can you see that? Right, as best as you can, no choice one. Okay, so the minimum what? The minimum population of the town when this occur is when it is at 1,000. And when it is at 1,000, the population is 1,000. X is what? All right, at population 1,000, this is 1,000. All right, is the lowest part. Y is at 1.8. All right, when X is 1.8. All right, so now they ask, suggest why the population decrease before it increases. All right, buy or ill kidnap your family. Huh? No. Suggest why the population decreased before it increases, because during the earthquake, right, what happened? Maybe people chose to leave the city. After that, they come back to rebuild, probably. So the population actually decreases. All right, now here it decreases, then it slowly increases. Can you see now? Hey, understand the story or not? Now here got story one. It's trying to say that what? X is the number of time in years after an earthquake destroyed part of the town. All right, so down here, this is at 0 means 0 year. All right, at 0 year, right, what happened? At 0 year, the earthquake happens already. Got this number of people. Then after 1 year, right, the number of people actually